everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about the preparation of an immune booster drink from some very healthy ingredients that you can find around you. Here are the ingredients: cinnamon, this is the ground cinnamon; turmeric; garlic, these are cloves of garlic; this is the ground garlic; ginger, ground ginger. So I'm going to be using the powder from the ground ingredients. For lemon, I'm going to be using this freshly juiced squeezed lemon. I squeezed it and I filtered it. I prefer to use this juice. If you don't have the already made lemon juice, you can cut your lemon into 2 halves and use a half of it. Here is some honey. Honey is optional, but of course it has its own health benefits. So if you feel you want to add some spoons of honey to your drink, it's very good. Now firstly, we're going to pour our hot water into our mug. This is a very hot water. Yes. Now to the ingredients. Any order can be followed. So we have our measuring spoons here. So I'm going to be putting 1/8 of a teaspoon each of this powder. 1/8 of turmeric. Any order can be followed. 1/8 of cinnamon. 1/8 of ginger. 1/8 of garlic. Stir properly. Now for the lemon juice, I'm going to be putting, this is 1 teaspoon. I'm going to put 3. 1, 2, 3. Lastly, we're going to put our honey. You can just put 2 teaspoons of honey. And of course you can put more than that if you feel you want your drink to be very sweet. Remember, honey is also healthy. Stir everything together for about 1 minute, and then your drink, your immune booster drink, is ready.